What's going on, guys? Hope everyone is having a great long weekend. I know I am. Behemoth was cycling today, so I was really happy about that. But filmed the construction update for Project BBC and Moosehorn Falls. The slide is having a lot of footings dug currently, not today. However, they were working on a lot of the new shipments that have been coming in. They were piecing together a lot of the different parts and components of the slide to get those ready for installment once the footings are dug, poured, and cured. And we should be seeing parts of the trough arrive for the slide sometime soon. Like I said at the beginning of the video, Behemoth was running today, so I will insert some clips and I will make a whole video dedicated to that ride for its pre-season cycling. Alongside Behemoth, the Drop Tower, Wilde Beast, Ghoster Coaster, Flying Eagles, and a bunch of the various rides in Planet Snoopy, Guardian, and Skyhawk were also running today as well. I tried to catch as much as I could on the drone and on the camera, so I hope everyone enjoys that. Over at Project BBC, they are reinstalling the roof of the tunnel, and they are also putting the pathway back on top of it by pouring concrete, and everything's going to be pretty much the same in that area of the park by Guardian. I wouldn't expect much changes when we actually are able to go in the park. I do find it interesting that they are covering the tunnel for Launch Boost 2. I do think this will be the second launch of the ride. This is just my personal opinion, so take that as you will. This is nothing confirmed. Something else I found was interesting is that they're digging. Over here you can see the excavator, and looks like there's some tarps there as well around that area, which seems to be for electrical. And this kind of contradicts what I was thinking for the Alpine area of the park, because as you know, the Alpine area has had the electrical extend from Thunder Run's old station, the multi-faith building, over towards the old location for the Tiny Toms and the tunnel by Thunder Run. So I thought this was really interesting because I personally think that that tunnel by Thunder Run is not going to be used for Project BBC. I do not think that this will be used for that ride. The tunnel by Vortex's Lift Hill will also not be used for BBC as well, because I haven't updated in my videos, but the tunnel by Vortex's Lift Hill will now be a new maintenance tunnel that will replace the old one by Guardian, which is now going to be occupied, in my opinion, by Launch Boost 2. And personally, I've always thought that the tunnel by Vortex was going to be a new maintenance tunnel from the beginning, so this did not come as much of a surprise for me. I stated in past videos that I thought Extreme's plot would be used for the station for BBC. All the demolition work and removal of the concrete has been finished, so it'll be really telling if they start any more land prep in this area. So for that, we'll just have to wait and see. I'm sure there's going to be a ton of construction walls and fences in this area come park opening, and it'll be pretty easy to keep an eye on since it's right at the front of the park. But not much longer until the park opens till we'll actually get to go inside and see a lot of this stuff for ourselves. As of right now, we'll just have to wait and be patient to see what's going to come in the next couple weeks, months, who knows. But I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope everyone enjoys the testing footage as well. I have another one coming out that's specifically Behemoth. I know I already did one before, but I have another one of some more shots that I took today, so stay tuned for that. I'm really excited for that one. I can't wait to see what these shots look like in a video. So take it easy, guys.